Hi and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to set up SSH access on your cPanel account. To get started, first you're going to need to log into your cPanel account. You want to scroll down to the security section. From here select SSH access. You will now need to select manage SSH keys and this will take you to a new page. From here select generate a new key. You want to enter a random password, or you can use the password generator here, which is what we're going to do, and then we're just going to select generate key. With the public key now generated, what we need to do now is authorize this. So to do this we need to select go back and scroll down until we see the public key, select manage, then authorize, then we need to go back again. With the public key now generated and authorized, we need to download the private key. So to do this, we need to scroll down to the private key section, and we can see the public key we generated earlier, ID_RSA. So what we're going to do now is select view and download, and we need to scroll down to the bottom where it says convert the ID_RSA, this will be completely different if you rename this, to PPK format, which we'll use in our SSH client like Putty. We're going to enter the passphrase that we generated earlier, and all we need to do now is select convert, and this will download a file by selecting the download key button, and then you need to save this on your desktop or your downloads folder. It doesn't matter where you save the file as long as you can access it. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and save the file by selecting OK, and we're going to just go back to the previous page. With the private key now downloaded, we just need to make note of two things: user and the shared IP address. And to get this information we need to go back to the cPanel overview, and on the right hand side under general information we can see the current user and IP address. So just make a note of these two. With all that done, we're now going to connect via Putty, and to do this you'll need to open up your Putty client, and on the left hand side you'll see a section titled Auth under SSH. Select this, and now you want to select browse. From here select the private key we downloaded earlier. With the private key now selected, we should be able to connect via SSH. So we need to go back to session at the top, and we need to enter the IP address that we made a note of earlier. So go ahead and copy that and put it into the host name and keep the port as 22. Now select open. This should open up a new window. From here enter the username that we also made a note of earlier, and finally the password that we used when we generated the key. You should now be connected via SSH, and just to test this you can type in ls pwd, and we can see that we can see all the listed directories, the actual directory we're in at the moment. We can also change directory. And that's it guys, that's how you connect via SSH in cPanel. I hope this has helped.